I'm Corby Ganesh, I'm the event director of Wasteworks here at Fresh Montgomery. And it seemed there was a gap in the market for an event that just addressed waste and food waste and resource issues in the food and drink industry. Initially, we've got a fantastic lineup of speakers or thought leaders. We've got people from retail, hospitality, manufacturing who have enjoyed great success in tackling food waste, in turning their food waste into opportunities to raise profits, and at the same time meet with companies who can actually help them do that.
Dominic Marginman, Business Development Director, and one of the founding directors of Vegware. And what we do is we manufacture compostable food packaging and tableware. Everything is made from either annually renewable or sustainable materials, so it's either plant starch, plant fibres, entirely plastic free, certified compostable in its finished form, and the idea is used packaging then gets put with food waste and rather than get to landfill goes off to organics recycling and composted. We have bags and sheets, so this is plant fibre, this is laminable wrap, we've got glassine bag, so a whole array of products, not just for sandwiches but also tableware, plates and bowls made from sugarcane fibres.
The waste-to-O is a form of bioremediation process. It's for the processing of end-of-life food waste. It's an on-site mechanism that people can use, just put the food in the top and it gets turned into grey water by the enzymes in the machine. Sitting inside the machine is some plastic beads. Now these act as the host for the bacteria. The fact that there's a lot of holes and a lot of surface area is absolutely fantastic. We want to go to the biggest amount of surface area that we can. So the food waste gets introduced into the top. Some enzyme is dispensed into here, which is basically bacteria. So it uses the same process as the human stomach. The bacteria break down the food waste in the machine, water is added, and then it leaves the machine purely as grey water. There's no solid mass left at all.
And then the last thing is there's really no incentive for people to actually try and reduce food waste. Kind of linked to the first part about awareness actually. If people don't think it's a problem, they're not going to understand that there's potentially a real opportunity there for cost savings.
Quick bin range. This is the mini and this is the maxi here. They're not only time saving, they're cost saving with the liners. And basically what you do, when it's full enough for you to actually remove, you can actually simply pull down on the liner here, so you can actually compact it down so you're using very, very little of the liner. Simply use the cable ties then to tie it off. Now some of our food industry customers are a little bit squeamish about the cable ties because of foreign objects in food. But we do the blue version over there, and anything that's blue there has metal particles in them. So of course the metal detectable machines that they use in the food industry will detect them. So you simply cut it between, you pull down the liner, and away it goes again.
This is where the food industry gathers every 2 years. There are lots of food events out there. This is the most important business event out there. So people come here looking for new ideas, new food suppliers and products from the food side, new packaging ideas and design ideas, and now inspiration on how to tackle food waste from the Wasteworks side.